Hello, this is Va Yang, and this is week 15 coding assignment. So first off, I'm going to go over my web page layout for my React CRUD client list app. So first off, on the top here is pretty much the name, the job title, company name, phone number, and email. And so once you enter these information through, for example, I'm going to have Homer Simpson as one of my clients and factory worker. That's his job title. And his company name is Mr. Burns Factory. And the phone, I'm just gonna say one, yeah, use a bunch of ones. And then the email, I'm gonna say is gonna be abc@gmail.com. Right. So I'm gonna click submit. You can see that the form here cleared to empty text boxes again. And then you see down here that Homer spelled wrong, Simpson is added. So I'm gonna go and update that. Let's say I'm gonna say Homer Simpson, okay? And then now he's a senior factory worker, and Mr. Burns Factory is angry, so he's gonna add to that. So I'm gonna say now it's a 2, and then I'm gonna say that Homer Simpson's actually got an email address called hs@yahoo.com. All right, so I'm gonna save that, and you can see that client ID number 6 has been updated. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and delete Happy Gilmore, because he's happy, he's made a ton of money, he doesn't need me anymore. All right, and that works too. So inspecting the console, I can see that I have successfully create, read, update, and deleted. So that is the web application and rendering the information here. So that works well. Now going over my code. So on the app.js, I have them all imported here, all of the files and components. And then my API is connected here. Now I have my client's state defined, and then my new client state defined. All right. Each function I'm gonna have to handle name, job title, company name, phone, and email is coded here. And then I'm gonna have the show modal, and this show modal is pretty much the update client modal.js. So when I click on the edit button or the pencil button, it's gonna pop up. All right. This here, okay, and this here is so that I can get my data from my mock API. This here is so that I can successfully do a post, okay, or create. This here is that if after I'm done creating or submitting on that post, it goes back to an empty string. All right. And this here is so I can successfully delete. This here is so that I can open and close the modal. All right. And this here is that I can handle each change or update to an existing client. All right. And now this is so that I can save it and do a successful put. And then all my returns are listed down here. All right. Now I need these in order to make each and every one of these work. And I'm going to go and say, click on client list. So these are destructured here. Okay. So that I can render the client list data right here. Now in the client form, these are destructured here so that I can render what I need on the client form. And that's pretty much right here. You can see my placeholder and everything. All right, now back to here, going over to my update client modal now. These here are destructured so that I can successfully, okay, make changes to an existing client. Now my app.css file is so that I can just so that my page looks nice and user friendly. And on my update client modal CSS is so that when that update modal pops up, it also looks nice and pretty to the eyes. So that's what I got here. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.